Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope you are all great. This is Teacher LM, and I will be your teacher for science. So today is Wednesday, December 2, 2020. Okay, class, do you still remember our lesson last time? Okay. Don't worry if you don't remember. Because we are going to have a review. Okay, so we will review our lesson last time so that you will remember. Okay, so our lesson last time is all about the six types of soil. Okay, the first type of soil is peaty soil. Peaty soil I spell Peatysoil. Next one, loamy soil. Loamy soil I spell Loamysoil. Next, sandy soil. Sandy soil I spell Sandysyl. Next, chalky soil. Chalky soil I spell Chalkysoil. Chalky soil. The fifth one is silty soil. Silt soil I spell Siltysoil. The last one is clay soil. Clay soil I spell Claysyl. Clay soil. So these are the six types of soil: peaty soil, clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, chalky soil, and loamy soil. Next one. Okay, class, so this is our lesson for today. We're going to talk about fire, okay? Fire can be used in many ways. So there are two ways, light and heat. Fire is source of light, for example, a candle, a gas lantern. Okay, fire also is source of heat. If there is no electricity, fire can provide heat. Okay, the sun warms our skin when we stand beneath it. Fire can also cook food and boil water. Our most natural source of fire is the sun. So the sun is our most natural source of fire. Okay, so there are two types of light. So the first one, let's talk about natural light. So these three pictures here are examples of natural light. The first picture is, okay, the stars. So the stars is example of natural light. Second is the sun. So the sun is example also of natural light. The last but not the least, the moon. So the moon is example also of natural light. Again, class, what are the examples of natural light? The first one is stars. Second, sun. The third one, moon. Okay, so these are examples of natural light. Let's move on to the second type of light. So the second type of light is artificial light. So example of artificial light is fire. So fire is example of artificial light. Second, flashlight. So the flashlight is example of artificial light. Third, candle. So a candle is example also of artificial light. Again, class, what are the examples of artificial light? We have fire, flashlight, and candle. Okay? So now let's have an activity. So direction, choose the object that has natural light. Okay, what are those objects that has a natural light? First one is firefly. Okay, a firefly has a natural light. Second, the sun. Of course, the sun is the most natural source of light. Okay, so it belongs to natural light. Last one, all right, the stars. So the stars has a natural light. Again, firefly, sun, and star. Okay, so second activity, choose the object that has artificial light. So a while ago, we answered the natural light. This time, we're going to select the pictures which have a artificial light. So the first picture is the gas lantern. Okay, so the gas lantern has an artificial light because it is made of human. Second one, good job. Candle. So candle is example also of artificial light. The last but not the least, a fire. Of course, a fire is an artificial light. Okay, class, that's all for today. I hope you learned something new and I will see you again this afternoon. Okay? Don't forget to do your worksheet. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.